Welcome to SM Aura here at Global City. Wow, ito naman tayo. Kong Hei Pa Choy, by the way. It's Chinese New Year. Ito lang tayo. Wow, ang galing. Ang ganda. Another beautiful place to visit. Yes! Nag-picture pa. Alright, ang galing. Amazing place. Yes! Ang galing talaga, oh. Oops. Oh, here's another side of the decoration. Happy Chinese New Year 2025. Wow. That's a very traditional lantern for New Year, for Chinese New Year. Ganda. Well, ito tayo, Starbucks. The SM talaga, no? Kahit saan, everywhere in the Philippines. Ang galing. Oh, labas tayo dito. There's a lot of things to see outside. Let's see. Wow. Very colorful. Red na red. Red is a
Latin color for
Latinese.
Chinese.
Kaya look at that. Ang galing. Wow. On the left talagang parang ang galing. Parang how would I describe it? Puro gold. Ang ganda ng ilaw nila with laser. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Wow. It's a signage. Ang galing. Very artistic. Actually, that is the entrance for the SM department store. And this one is another part of SM Aura. Hi, how are you? Kumusta? Wow. Ang galing ng design sila dito.
There's a waterfalls between the escalators and the stairs.
Wow, tinalo ang
Wow.
Dalisiwan River. Joke lang. Galing. Wow. Going up,
Ang ganda ng waterfalls nila just beside the escalators.
multicolored. Then we'll go to the next level. Tingnan natin. Amazing. Ang galing talaga dito.
Multicolored pa.
Wow. Ang galing. Saan tayo? Doon tayo sa taas. Okay. Bilib na talaga ako sa Pilipinas. There's a lot of things to see. Very diverse. Very diverse pagdating sa mga design, concept, architecture. Ang galing, kakabilib. Actually, dito kasi sa Pilipinas, marami na talaga mga investors. Especially from China. Talagang mga negosyante, they try to help to improve the Philippines. That's why the economy of the Philippines has boosted a lot. As you can see, mga structures dito, wow, really amazing. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda ng lights na yan. Yan ang mga, well, as I've mentioned, maraming investor dito sa Pilipinas. Japanese, so doon sa previous coverage ko, makita nyo yung Japanese store. Ang ganda ng mga tinda nila. You don't need to go to Japan. But here, another concept, the fountain. Actually, it's on the rooftop of a department store, SM Aura. Oh, this one resembles an animal. It's a cow, I think. Now it's lights over here. Galing. It's a play area actually for kids. Ang galing ng ano na to, concept na to. It's very interesting. At well, it's good to walk around and see this beautiful place. Imagine, it's garden on top of a building. We have the grass. Wow. On the left is actually a chapel. There's a mass going on. Kaya lang, nakapag-simba na kami. So, okay na kami. Today's Sunday. I'm not sure what we can see inside, but lakad lang. Wow. Amazing sight. Woofy. Wow. Look at this. It's a dog park. Woofy. Doggy for toilet inside. It's a dog park actually, huh? Nice. Could you imagine? This is on top of a fourth story building. It's a park. Ang concept pa rin dito, Japanese. You remember, basta may makita kang ganyan parang bamboo shoots, it's a Japanese style, Japanese garden. Kasi, well, napagod din kami, kaya ikot dito sa SM Aura at end up kami dito sa Digis, California Style Pizza para mag-freshen up, put some water. Maybe a little later, mag-pizza kami. Wow. Nakita nyo ba yung sa taas ko? Sa Hummingbird. Actually, it's a hologram. Actually, look at that. High-tech na talaga dito sa Pilipinas. I've been in America for 20 years, pero wala akong nakita. It's another amazing thing here.
Yes, SM Aura is a dog-friendly environment.
Dora? Yeah, dito tayo sa Digis, California Pizza. So, masarap ang pizza dito. So, that's it. Pizza na lang kami dito. And thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel, Leon's World SL. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Here at Leon's World SL.